got some slow smoked ribs that I'm going to start in a couple seconds here. Look at this. Now this is a really tender cut of meat. These are baby back ribs, really tender pieces of meat. This is higher up on Mr. Pig. Spare ribs are a little lower down, a little tougher, but work really well. I want to marinate these in some rum. Now, as I'm marinating these babies, I want them obviously to be nice and tender. That's why I'm doing that. Now, where I come from in Jamaica, we jerk everything. It's just a simple marinating process. We break down the connective tissue. You smoke it over a long period of time. Some cinnamon sticks, just for flavor. And these puppies are going to marinate for about 3 hours. Simple as that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. These ribs have been in for about 3 hours now. Halfway through, I just put the meat side down, had it in contact with the cinnamon and all that beautiful dark rum. Smells really nice. Now for the jerk spice, a dry rub. There's a wet marinating and there's a dry rub. I'm using the dry rub on my ribs at this point. Few interesting ingredients here. Onion and garlic, really important. These are essential. They work so well on the barbecue. A little garlic, so important. A little chili for heat. Now back it off if you don't want it too hot, but I like it really hot. This is jerk we're talking about. Cinnamon, cloves, and allspice, they all go well together. That's what jerk's all about. Little coriander for another complex little flavor. Ginger for a little sweetness and a little heat too. Dried chives, the onion factor. Black pepper, this is probably the most important spice out of all of them. This brings everything together. Do a little mix here. This is really good. Let's pat these dry now. Very, very important. No more moisture at this point. So I put these in a non-reactive bowl. What's a non-reactive bowl? Something that citric acid can go into, something like the rum, 40% alcohol can go into, and no discoloration happens. That's what we're looking for here. So no stainless steel, no reactive bowls, ceramics, or a glass bowl, anything will do. This is a dry rub, very abrasive. You want to rub it all in there. That's what we're trying to get all of the goodness right into the meat. You can feel it going in. This is very simple to do. Now, let these marinate for another half an hour. The baggy trick. Second one in. Want it all to stay together. That's why I'm using the plastic bag. Another half an hour, and we're set. You can go straight to the grill. Slow smoking baby back ribs. Got some hickory wood here. Hickory goes very well with barbecue. Perfect combination. Works really well with pork. I need to get 2 of these packages on because I've got 2 packs of ribs. Very important that I get lots of smoke happening here. Poke some holes to release all that smoke, which is going to flavor the pork ribs. Now, I've got a hot side and a cold side. This side's all turned off at this point. I need as much smoke as I possibly can get, so this is up on high right now. Put my grill on. I have my drip pan here. All of the fat is gonna go down into that drip pan and it's not gonna flare up. All that smoky goodness from my hickory chips right over onto my grill. Let's close the lid, let's wait for some smoke. So I've got my smoke, that's what I've been waiting for. I want to turn this down to about 200 degrees Fahrenheit, 100 degrees Celsius. Squirt a little oil, because I don't want my ribs sticking. Any veg oil will do. Ribs on, work quickly here at this point. 2 hours, let the smoke do the work. 2 hours of slow smoking. I haven't looked at all, and that's really tough for me. I'm gonna take a look right now. That's beautiful. Slow smoke, the rum, the cinnamon, all of those jerk spices work so well. This is ready to go to the table.